Hi everybody. Okay, so I'm in Atlantic City at the Tropicana with John, and I am crafting. It's early morning. I don't even know what time it is. Let me see what time it is. Look in my space. It is 8:40 in the morning. I'm having a cup of coffee. This is my view. And then I just looked up. Ready? Ready? You see that right there in the red shirt? Swinging the metal detector? That's Mr. Johnny D. He said he was walking to the right today. I guess yesterday he walked to the left. And look at that. I spy with my little eye my husband. Let's see if he finds something. It's supposed to be like 80-something degrees today. 2 days ago, John was changing the oil on our pickup truck, and he had it up on our lift, and the truck fell off the lift. Thank the good Lord he was not under that truck, but it rattled me to no end. And then I needed to get him out of that house, away from that property, away from that garage, and I needed to get away. So we came to Atlantic City. Is he digging something? Let's see. Look at how cool. It's going to be a beautiful day here. So in a little while we'll get dressed. We'll go down, sit on the beach, grab some lunch. We'll walk the boardwalk. And then he'll go out metal detecting for the day, the rest of the afternoon. And then we'll come back in. We'll have dinner. And I think we're going to go to the movies tonight, the IMAX theater. Look at how beautiful. There's a boat out there. There it is. See it? Oh, so sorry. It's the glare that makes it so that you can't. But the Trop just added this walkway right here. See this walkway? They added that within the last couple of months to the Chelsea Hotel, which is now part of the Tropicana. And look at their outdoor pool area. I think I might be sitting there today. I might have to go sit there for a little while once the sun gets in there, because I know because it's up on the building, it's kind of cool. But the Trop is one of my favorite, is my favorite. This is like the only place we stay. We're staying in the South Tower, and this is our view of Atlantic City. There's a baseball field over there. See that? Usually there's an Econo Lodge. There's another. These are apartments over here. That's apartments. That wouldn't be such a bad place to live. Sorry, I wake up every morning and see this view. He's still combing that beach. Sorry, the window's dirty. See how it's picking up the window? Alright, so I'll show you quickly what I'm working on. So, I'm listening to Chicago on my iPad. And yesterday, I did, I know it's black and it's hard to see, but I did this folio. What I do is I just bring black paper, craft cardstock, my cutter, my crocodile, some tape, some glue, my scissors. I bring my agenda, and then Shar, I bought your book because I'm going to be working on that. And I am coming up, I'm actually working out measurements for my own, oh, as I drop something, hold on, so sorry. I am working on something, my own idea, which I'm sure has probably been done 100 times. I don't know, a little folio without chipboard. But this here one, this little flip book, I know you can't see it. Once I put designer paper on it, you'll be able to see it. I did this a while ago, and this was somebody else's idea, but I decided to add a pocket and change the measurements. And the reason I changed the measurements was because, I have to tell you this quick story. Vinny made this folio for Shannon for her birthday. I think it was last year. And all I had to do was bark out the measurements, and the kid was just cutting away because he's that art major. Hold on, I'm sorry, I dropped papers. And as he was cutting it, he's like, "Ma, this is wasteful paper." He says, "You're wasting so much paper on the other person's concept." And I said, "Vin," I said, "it's not mine. I just liked the tutorial, so I made it." So this was a year ago, a year and 2 months ago, probably 14 months ago. So I'm sitting here, and yesterday, this is my book of notes and designs. I'm sitting here yesterday, and I decided to do revisions on how I can, I'm actually sitting here and these are my revisions, how I can make it so that there's no waste in your paper. So far, I think I've come up with 4 sheets. 1, 2, 3. How did I do that? 3. This was 1 sheet. The waterfall was 2, 3, 4. I think I'm up to 4 8.5 by 11s to make that folio with like minimal waste. Yeah, I have my jammies on. So I'm gonna, when I get home, I'm gonna probably do a real tutorial on this so that you guys can do it because it's so quick and easy. But with that, there's my view. Oh, John is still by the flag. I see him. I just want to say hi, drop in, and have a great day, and I will see you real soon. Bye. From the beach.